Hello honeys, and welcome to today's video. So I promised to bring a rice water update, and I'm here with the video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button, and let's get straight to see my results.
Every little thing you think you know, I'm here to tell you it should go. I'm trying to help you understand. If you would just take my hand and I'll teach you who I am. Right now you got it wrong, so sugar, come along and I'll show you who's strong.
So honey, before I get into showing my results, I'll just give you a rundown on my edges. Basically, I've been dealing with traction alopecia for the past 5 years. I've done so many terrible hairstyles that made my edges go out. My edges, they don't actually grow at all. They literally do not grow. So I've been using rice water for the past week, and I'm here to show you my results basically. So let's get to that. So basically, you might not really see so much of a difference because it's just 2 weeks. The result is not like so drastic, but it's better. I can see that my edges are better. My edges have not grown in the past 5 years, and this is like a little bit of hair. You can see the comparison. This side actually grew more than this side, but they are both growing. So I'm just like, I'm happy that I'm seeing changes. I'm seeing something new. I'm gonna come back in 2 weeks to give you another update of my rice water on my edges, because I need to grow out my edges. I need to grow this out. I've tried almost everything. I've tried Jamaican black castor oil. I've tried wild grow oil on my edges. I've tried so many things, but it doesn't grow. Like, it doesn't actually grow. But this is actually working on my edge, and I'm not mad. So if you're out there, I have terrible edges, it can actually help you. It works. I know it works for hair normally, but my edges that haven't grown in 5 years, rice water actually worked. It worked. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell button so you know when I post a video.